Hi, I'm Jeremy Fisher. Let's look at the song Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. You can support this channel by visiting patreon.com/JeremyFisherMusic, where you'll find tabs and chord charts and longer tutorials, and it's a great place to connect with me personally. Before we get started, I just want to say that this tutorial is going to be an adaptation of the song, which doesn't really have much guitar on it. This is an acoustic guitar version, so I've chosen to put my capo at the 5th fret because it's allowing me to play that little ostinato pattern, as well as easily fret the chords in nice open voicings. Now I'm going to break down what I'm doing with my right hand. The first part, slowed way down, we're on the A sus2 chord, so and then switching to the F sharp minor chord. It doesn't sound like much now, but it will in a second. To the B minor chord. Okay, now let's get the fingers involved. We are going to use our thumb, index, and middle fingers, and they're going to be, the thumb is on the 5th string, index is on the 4th string, and middle is on the 3rd string. And that first beat, you're going to pluck all 3 like this. And hit the back beat, and then pluck with the thumb, and then we change chords to the A major 7. So one more time. And then you just change to that F sharp minor chord. So my thumb's now on the 6th string, but these 2 fingers are still on the 4th and 3rd. To the B minor. And the E sus4. Okay, you're most of the way there. Now, the last thing we're going to do is a little thumb rake. And I'm raking the strings with the top of my thumbnail here, or with my thumbnail. And I'm sure to hit the high open 1st string each time I do that scrape, because that's when I'm hitting that note in the ostinato. That thumb is hitting the top note. Here's how it goes. And here's what it sounds like at speed. Slowed down one more time. And then to the F sharp minor chord. To the B minor. And the E sus4. So that's the whole thing for that sort of complex right hand part. And you might notice that when I'm hitting the root note by itself, it doesn't sound like much, but that's okay. You want this to be dynamic. You want it to feel a little bit like drums And so that's kind of a subtle beat, right? It's not as forceful as the accented beats. But here it is one more time at speed. This is what it should sound like. Maybe I'll do it a little slower so that you can hear what it sounds like, but it's also slow enough that you might be able to see the visual as well. Okay, if you want to play the song in open position with no capo at all, and you just want some simple chord voicings, here they are. D major 7, B minor 7, E minor 7, A sus4 to A. And you can use a simple strumming pattern. I would call this sort of level 1, just strumming quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor 7. This would be good for playing it like a ballad. Or you can put a little bit of rhythm to it and play it like this. Anyway, you can come up with whatever strumming pattern you want because, as I mentioned before, on acoustic guitar, you're kind of building this arrangement from the ground up because it's not really an acoustic guitar song on the original recording. Anyway, I hope those chord voicings are helpful for you if playing it fingerstyle and with the capo is not really your thing. Again, I'm Jeremy Fisher, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon for a new tutorial.